Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add comments to slides created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and start creating your slides. After that, you should tap on this home button at the top on the left side of the screen. Then you should go to the right side. At the top you can find this comments button, so tap on it. And here you can find that there are no comments in this file, but you should, if you want to, you can add comments by tapping on this new button, and then you should start typing in your comment, thereby initiating a conversation. So tap on this post comment button, and as you can see, your comment has been posted. It can be found at this comment section on the right side of the screen. If you want to, you can tap on this more button in the upper right corner of this box, and you can link something to your comment, or you can edit it if you would like to. You can also get rid of it if you want to by tapping on this delete thread button, or you can also resolve it. And you can reply to others' comment as well if you tap on this reply box. And basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.